When darkness falls and the wind whispers through the trees, something begins to stir beneath the earth. Hands claw their way through the soil. Eyes flicker open. The night fills with the sound of slow, hungry footsteps. This Halloween, the dead aren't just rising, they're decorating. From graveyards to front porches, it's time to unleash a full-blown zombie invasion right at your doorstep. Whether you crave spine-chilling realism or creative DIY horror, these zombie Halloween decoration ideas will transform your home into the ultimate apocalypse zone. Creepy lighting, eerie fog, and lifelike undead props, all coming together to make your setup look straight out of a horror movie. Welcome back to Decor Design Ideas, where every season becomes a reason to create something spectacular. In today's video, we're diving into the world of the undead, with zombie Halloween decoration ideas that are spooky, creative, and perfect for every budget. Whether you're setting up your front yard, hosting a Halloween party, or crafting your own zombie props, we've gathered the best ideas to make your space look horrifyingly amazing. So, let's bring your haunted vision to life, one zombie at a time. What are the best zombie Halloween decoration ideas for your yard? Start your zombie setup outside with life-size props crawling out of the ground. Use old clothes stuffed with straw, fake blood, and rubber hands emerging from the dirt. A fog machine or flickering red lights can add that fresh from the grave illusion. Scatter a few tombstones and broken fences for an apocalyptic atmosphere that'll stop every trick-or-treater in their tracks. How can I make DIY zombie decorations at home? With just a few supplies, old shirts, paper mache, and paint, you can craft terrifyingly real zombies. Add dirt, tears, and fake wounds to clothing, and use mannequin heads for crawling corpses. A little LED light behind plastic eyes makes them glow at night. DIY zombies give your yard a personal handmade touch, and the satisfaction of crafting your own undead army. If you're already imagining zombies taking over your lawn, don't forget to like this video and share it with your Halloween-obsessed friends. What are some realistic zombie Halloween props for extra scare factor? For that professional haunted house vibe, try animatronic zombie props or silicone heads. Add motion sensors that make them moan or twitch when someone walks by. Pair with fake body parts, blood splatter, and broken fences for a terrifyingly lifelike display. Realistic details make all the difference. Your guests won't know what's fake until it moves. How can I decorate my porch for a zombie-themed Halloween? Your porch is the perfect stage for the invasion. Use black cloths, flickering lanterns, and caution tape reading "Quarantine Zone." Hang zombie silhouettes or bloody handprints on your door. Finish with eerie red lighting and a crawling zombie prop near your welcome mat. It's a simple setup that screams, "You're not safe here." Which porch style would you go for? Creepy quarantine zone or full zombie attack? Let us know in the comments. How can I make a DIY zombie head prop easily? Grab a foam head, wrap it in paper towels soaked in glue, and paint it with gray tones and fake blood. Add glass eyes, a ripped mouth, or moss for decay effects. You can stick these on fences, hang them from trees, or set them in windows for jump scares. The best part? It's inexpensive but horrifyingly effective. What lighting works best for a zombie Halloween display? Lighting sets the mood. Use red and green spotlights for a toxic infected glow. Hidden strobe lights or flickering bulbs add motion and chaos. Combine these with fog machines to make zombies look like they're emerging from a smoky graveyard. Instant cinematic horror. For more spooky yard lighting and fog setup ideas, check out our Halloween yard decor playlist in the description. It's packed with creative outdoor horror inspiration. How can I make my zombie Halloween setup family-friendly but still spooky? Not every zombie needs to be gory. Create funny or cartoonish zombies using pool noodles, oversized eyes, or soft fabric hands. Kids love colorful undead characters, especially if they're part of a zombie dance party scene instead of a horror setup. It's cute, spooky, and family safe. What are zombie Halloween party decoration ideas? For parties, mix gore with fun. Bloody handprint cups, zombie drink labels like toxic tonic, and caution tape tablecloths. Add green punch, cupcakes topped with sugar eyes, and foggy dry ice bowls for atmosphere. Decorate walls with biohazard signs or hanging limbs. It's gross but hilarious, the perfect mix of fright and delight. Love transforming your home for Halloween? Hit subscribe for weekly spooky and DIY decor videos from Decor Design Ideas. How can I create a zombie apocalypse scene in my yard? Turn your lawn into a cinematic graveyard. Use fake fences, help us banners, and half-buried zombies trying to escape. Scatter torn clothing, old shovels, and broken crates for a survival horror vibe. Add moody lighting and eerie background sound effects for realism, instant apocalypse energy. What's an easy way to make a zombie graveyard setup? Line up foam tombstones, cover the ground with leaves and dirt, and have zombie hands reaching out between them. Add a glowing skull or lantern for illumination. This simple scene takes minutes to create, but delivers hours of spine-tingling scares. Want to expand your setup beyond zombies? Check the Halloween decor videos linked in the description for haunted mansion, witchy, and skeleton themes too. How do I make fake zombie blood for decorations? Mix corn syrup, red food coloring, and a drop of chocolate syrup to create thick, realistic fake blood. Splatter it on props, fences, and doors for instant gore. It's non-toxic, washable, and looks disturbingly real under low light. What materials can I reuse for zombie Halloween crafts? Old clothes, cardboard, and foam can go a long way. Cut up jeans for torn limbs, reuse pillow stuffing for body filler, and spray paint old dolls for creepy decorations. Zombie setups are perfect for upcycling. You can make horror magic from everyday trash. If you love DIY Halloween ideas on a budget, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your creative friends. How can I make my zombie decorations look more dynamic and alive? Bring your zombies to life with subtle motion and sound. Add flickering LED candles inside the chest or mouth of a zombie prop to make it look like it's glowing from within. Hide small Bluetooth speakers nearby to play faint growls or eerie breathing noises. These layered effects make your setup feel alive and immersive, as if your undead display might just take a step forward when no one's looking. What's the best way to stage motion in zombie scenes? Motion sensors are game changers. Hide them near props so zombies twitch or growl when someone passes by. If you're on a budget, even a slow-turning fan behind a hanging cloth can make it look like something's moving in the shadows. How do I keep my zombie decorations weather-safe outdoors? Spray paint and seal your props with waterproof coating. Anchor them down using stakes or heavy stones. Use LED lights instead of open flames for safety, and cover electric parts with plastic wrap if rain's in the forecast. From DIY zombie decorations to realistic horror yard setups, you now have all the tricks to make your Halloween come alive, literally. Whether you're building an apocalypse yard, a gory porch scene, or a full undead party, each idea adds that perfect balance of horror and creativity. So go ahead, summon your inner zombie artist, and make this Halloween the creepiest, most unforgettable one yet. If you loved these zombie Halloween decoration ideas, hit like and share this video with your spooky friends. Which idea was your favorite? DIY zombie crafts or realistic animatronic props? Tell us below. Explore the Halloween outdoor and yard decor playlist in the description for more haunting inspiration. Subscribe for weekly Halloween and seasonal DIY decor videos from Decor Design Ideas. Check the description for more ideas on Haunted Mansion, Beetlejuice, and witchy decor themes.